Hello folks, this is Bill with What Kind of Math Is This? Today's lesson is going to be on how to compare two expressions to see if they are equivalent or equal to each other. Let's go ahead and get started. I have one already to go. All right, it says, are the expressions 8 parentheses 3u plus 1 in parentheses plus 4u and 3 8u plus 1 plus 4u equivalent or equal to each other. So it's going to be a pretty simple process. What you have to do first is you have to solve or simplify each expression, and then you of course would find. So what we'll do is we'll start here with this one. We'll say 8 3u plus 1 plus 4u, and we'll go and say that's going to be 8 times 3u plus 8 times 1, and then of course we'll just drop that 4u down there, and that's going to be 24u, and that's going to be 8, and of course that's going to be 4u. Now once we've done that, we can go and combine our like terms. This and this are alike, and 24u and 4u would make 28u, and then there you go. So we come over here to the side and say that this first expression is 28u plus 8. All right, let's see if I can find a spot here. 28u plus 8. All right, now once I've done that, and of course I need to get some space. My screen is not terribly big here. And all I did, folks, was go through it and simplify it to discover what was the smallest form that I could do. All right, now the next one, 3 8u plus 1 plus 4u. And I'm going to follow the same process. Want to go ahead and mention that this right here is the distributive property. When you see this digit on the outside of the parentheses, that means you're going to multiply 3 by everything that's inside the parentheses. So 3 times 8u, 3 times the 1. So I'm actually going to skip that step this time and just go like this, and of course that would give me 24u plus 3 plus 4u. Now I'm going to combine like terms, and 24u and 4u, that would be 28u plus 3. Now we're comparing that to what we had before, 28u plus 8. And as you can see, and I'll clean up some of this mess for you here so we can see it a little bit better. So as you can see, when we go and simplify them, that what we have left, 28u plus 3, is it equal to 28u plus 8? Of course not. The difference would be, and I'll point it out to you, the difference of course would be right here and here. So first example, let's go ahead and do another example for you folks, and bring this one up. All right, here are our next ones. Now, I want to point out to you that this one, and sometimes you're going to see this where one expression will already be simplified. And let me point that out to you right here. That one is already simplified for us. So that means we're just going to have to simplify that one. So go ahead and shorten this one here and get rid of that right there. All right, come back to our pencil. So it is 8 negative 7u plus 10u plus 1 plus 4u. Now, there's a lot going on in this equation, in this expression. I want you to realize that 8 on the outside of the parentheses, that means that we're going to distribute that 8 among everything inside the parentheses. We're going to multiply 8 times negative 7u. We're going to multiply 8 times the 10u, and we're going to multiply the 8 times the 1. All right, so let's go ahead and do that. 8, and change colors here so you guys can follow. It's going to be 8 times this. Change colors again. And then it's going to be 8 times this. And then it's going to be 8 times this. So we'll go ahead and do that. 8 times negative 7u is going to be negative 56u plus 8 times 10u. That's going to be 80u. And then that 8 times 1, of course, is 8. And then I'll just drop down what was on the outside of the parenthesis. So I'll look at it now. I have negative 56u plus 80u plus 8 plus 4u. Now I'm going to go and combine like terms. I'm going to combine like terms right there, there, and there. And of course, this is a negative number and a positive number, and whenever we are adding together a positive and negative, we are really subtracting. So we're going to find the difference, and of course the difference is going to be it's going to be 24. It's going to be 24u. That is because 4 makes 60 and 20 makes 80, and the absolute value of 80 is greater than the absolute value of negative 56. So once we do that, we go and rewrite it. We're going to go and combine like terms there and there. And what we're going to get is 28u plus 8. And as you can see, it is the same thing as that up there. So that means that these two expressions are equal to each other. They're equivalent. So that's how you tell if two expressions are equal to themselves. If they're not simplified, then you're going to, of course, have to simplify those, and like we did. So I hope this video helps. Thanks for watching. If you like it, make sure you hit like. And of course, I always like to have subscribers. So thank you very much. Have a wonderful day.